Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make Zombie Destroyer episode 3. First, you save the zombie episode 2 as a copy. Then change the title to Zombie Destroyer episode 3. Next, you'll see that at first there'll be like zombies moving around and you can get this healing potion by pressing E and you can spawn those healing potions. But when the zombie touches them, it doesn't delete or disappear and get a score. So I'm gonna go to zombie, go to when I start as a clone, get a if, sensing, touching, splash, then delete this clone. Go to variables, make a new variable called score for all sprites. I'm gonna put it here, right here. Go to green flag, click, set score to 0. If touching splash, inside if touching splash, change score by 1. So now we try it again. And when they touches it, it doesn't appear. Okay, next, I need a sound effect. So go to sound, pick a new sound, go to effect, and pick one you like. I like I like I like this zoom. So you go back to code, if touching splash, change score by 1, start sound zoop, and then delete this clone. So I'm waiting, get the healing potion, spawn. So now, you see that the zombie like goes through the potion is because it's gliding to the position it was supposed to be and not like having and not sensing this thing touching it. So I'm gonna change the way the zombie moves by so taking this if off and putting it in another when I start as a clone, and then a forever loop co to select that whole thing. So in the forever loop, go to motion, change X, bring two change X, two change Y. Then I'm going to go to operators, bring a pick random for each of the change X and change Ys. I'm going to put this here. Then I'm going to change X by 50 to 75. I'm going to bring a repeat, 4 repeats, 3 here, and one more there. Change X at 50 to 75, and this one is moving the other way, so it's negative 50 to negative 75. And this change Y by 50 to 75, and change Y by negative 50 to negative 75. So it should move like maybe not like that. I need to wait 1 second between those things. And I'm gonna make this repeat twice. And I'm gonna bring the wait 1 second in between the repeats. So it should move like something like this. It should be fine. So now when we put this healing potion down, it should, yeah, delete the zombie. And I'm gonna make this less so it will move less. Like this. -50. And that should be good. Actually, I'm gonna change this to 75 just to make sure it won't stay at the same spot. Yeah, this is better. Now we need a new potion called, I'm gonna duplicate the healing potion, and it's called speed potion. Like this. First, I'm gonna go to costume and change these two stuff to yellow. Like this should be good. And change the sign to be S for speed potion. Just speed. I'm gonna put them in the center, which I already did. I'm gonna delete these variable stuff. Now here, if touching player, if key pressed, I'm gonna hide and broadcast. Actually, I'm gonna make a new variable called you better drink it for all sprites. So I'm gonna use this set. Set you better drink it to 0. And now set this you better drink it to 1. There. It's good now. And now we go to costume, duplicate this player with healing potion to player with speed potion. Wait. Speed potion. Then I'm gonna change this color to be yellow. Like, I'm gonna copy this and paste it on the player sprite so I can copy the color. Now press this healing potion thing and press this 2 that you can pick the color you want in this screen. Then I'm gonna delete this speed potion because I don't need it anymore and put this back. I mean front, but ungroup it so you can pick these. There. And where's the S? Oh, the S is an H and it's the other color, not black. There. Now we put it back on where it's supposed to be. And change this to S instead of H for speed. Yay. Now we go to code. Duplicate the if touching healing potion to if touching speed potion. If E press, switch costume to player with speed potion. 2. Oh. Then you make a new sound. Go to effect. I'm gonna get this whiz for a sound effect. Go to sound, start sound whiz. So, and make a new variable called speed, not DP. Okay, speed for all sprites. So it should move. So it should change the speed by 1. Yeah. Actually, not at where the player picked up the speed potion. It should be when it drinks it. So for the speed, I'll rename it to speed X actually. Making a new variable called speed Y. Making another variable called speed X minus X. A new variable called speed Y minus Y. They all should be for all sprites. Then go to the screen flag, click, pick 4 set hover thing, and change them to speed minus X, speed minus Y, speed X, and speed Y. Set speed minus X to -5, speed -Y to -5, speed X to 5, speed Y to 5. There. Now, if touching speed potion, this script, I'm going to go to events, take a new broadcast, and I'm going to broadcast you better drink it. There. When I receive you better drink it, forever loop, if key, wait, I need an and an equal sign. If key S press, E, and go to looks, costume number equals to 3. I'm going to start sound whiz and set speed minus X, speed minus Y, speed X, speed Y. Change, not set. So I did the wrong thing. Change speed X, minus speed X, minus speed Y, speed X, speed Y. Change minus speed X to -1 because it's going the other way. Minus speed Y to -1. And speed X and speed Y to be 1 and 1. Then go to control, bring a stop all, but I'm not stopping all because I'm just stopping this script. And so it should still work. Yep. I'm gonna select this healing potion, get the speed potion, I mean, change this key what press to key S because it's speed potion. It will be better. Let's try that again. And speed potion, press S, and my speed went up. I'm gonna pick up another speed potion. So it should go faster, but I forgot to put the variable to here. Go to variables, speed minus X to left arrow key, speed X to right arrow key, speed Y to up arrow key, and speed minus Y to left arrow key. Let's try that again. And yay, it's going faster. Yay. I'm gonna get some points. There. So it's pretty much fun now, and I'm gonna hide all these variables. And one more adjustment. I'm gonna go to backdrop and just make some flowers by using this paints tool and make it yellow or orange and make some dots. That's totally flowers, right? Uh-huh. I'm gonna make some red and it looks so much better now, I think. So this is the end of this Zombies Destroy episode 3 and hope you like it and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.